Millionaire Secrets Top 11. Do you know the greatest millionaire secrets in the world? It's about time you find out. 1. Millionaires have a daily to-do list. 2. Automate your finances. Time is precious. 3. Get up early and focus on your goals. 4. Become self-employed with a passive income. 5. Create multiple streams of income. 6. Invest in assets. Have an excellent financial plan. 7. Dedicate yourself to lifelong learning. 8. Know that mistakes help you learn fast. 9. Use your brain every day. Don't watch the TV. Your mind is being programmed. 10. Find out what excites you and follow your heart. 11. Prioritize self-care and healthy habits. Bonus tip: meet the right people and make new friends.